You've got to be kidding. -7. With a wind chill of -17. Man, oh man, it's cold out there. Let's go shovel some snow. Alright, my next chore is gonna get these guys onto there. I put in this chandelier, never could get that to where it was mounted in the right spot. But now after watching the video, I'll think I understand. And the same with this one. Never did get those right. So I just left them like that. This one used to be the one that was above the dining room table that was here. This is my new one above the table which I don't have anymore. Well, I do have the table. Just lives in the basement, not up here. But for now, it's dinner time. And it's meatloaf. Yay! You know, before the milk expires, before the eggs expire, it's meatloaf. Gonna use those guys up. And after about an hour and a half, this is what pops out. Get some bread with it too. That's kind of way off. What is that? Half a pound? Man, I gotta cut back. Soon I'm gonna cut back on how much I eat. Because in the last 3 weeks, I've gained 5 pounds. Yeah, and I got a feeling it's how much I eat. Because I've been trying hard. I've been running, I've been lifting, and I'm just keep gaining weight. But we're going to work on it soon. Soon. Maybe. Soon. I pulled it off the ceiling. I have to spend some time cleaning this thing up now. There's even a bunch of stuff in there. But, where is it? Took this guy, and that nut you see there, went ahead and twisted it down. I put this on there where that will come up. I gotta clean the paint off this thing too. And it comes through there, then the little cap goes over there, spins on there. Shouldn't be able to see too much of the screws. Or is it shouldn't be able to see too much of the screws. Great, now I gotta try again. Alright. So I brought that nut down to there. This is about where it can sit, where nothing sticks out too far on this side. And the little cap there, that guy will come up on those screws. Now I'm just going to wire it back up. Put a little black tape along one of the wires, which I learned off of YouTube. So I watched him teach me how to wire this. And it looks like I'm going to have to clean this up a lot. And then clean all the glass parts that used to hang on this. It's got a lot of cleaning, so I'm just going to peel off the paint, stick the wires back. I should be able to screw that in. And one of the screws for this was about this long. I had to screw that guy out about that much space while you're holding this. It's a little cord. You're trying to deal with the screw that's that long. Don't do that. So I'm going to see if I can find a shorter screw for that too. And look at the size of this thing. That's what was in there. That's what I had to pull out. This was the size of the one on the other side. Well, since the ceiling is at an angle, I didn't leave enough of that screw sticking out to make up for that. I just made that flat. So I'm going to have to take it apart, bring that screw back further out, and then put it all back together again. Nuts. There we go. Cool. Got one more to do, but that's not for today. And it wants dusted too. It's going to be hard to get the ladder up, clear up there. But I'll figure something out. Put it up there once, just not right. But this one's good. This one's good. Yay. Hey, it snowed. The windmill's not spinning too good today. Came up a little on the ground there. That only means one thing. Or maybe more than one. It's time to break out the snow moving stuff. Shovel some snow. Plow some snow. Do we got a plow? I don't got a plow. Don't have to plow any snow then. Just gotta move some snow. And there we go. There's the numbers for the end of February, beginning of March. 224. It's the most I've weighed in 9 months. Keep trying to tell myself it's blurry in here. Keep trying to tell myself it's just muscle that's being put on, but we all know that's not true. We're still gonna keep trying. Added some workouts. Gonna try to add some treadmill time. Gonna hope that number goes down. Gonna work a little bit harder. Skip a few meals. I think that's what I gotta do.